Gathering positive customer experiences is essential for building trust in your business. However, managing thousands of contacts is quite a task. SocialPilot Reviews organizes all your contacts seamlessly. Let's walk through how to add and manage contacts. From the side menu, go to Contacts and click on Manage Contacts. At the top of the screen, choose the brand and location where you want to add contacts. Now click the Add Contact button. A form will appear asking for information about your new contact. Start with a first name. If you also have their last name, include it to add more personalization. Next, provide the contact information. This could be their email or phone number, depending on what details you have. Now, let's talk about tags. Tags help you organize your contacts into groups so you can send the right messages to the right people. You can add one or many, depending on how you want to group the contact. Once all details are filled in, click Save to add the contact to your location. Clicking on Bulk Upload from the Contacts section in the side menu lets you upload up to 5,000 contacts in one go. Here, too, you can select the brand and location where these contacts should be added. Upload a CSV file containing all the contact details in the format displayed on the screen. Make sure the columns follow this structure. First name is mandatory, and you'll need either an email or a phone number. Tags can be added as multiple values, separated by commas. If there are any errors during the upload, such as formatting mistakes in the CSV file, you'll need to correct these issues. Otherwise, you'll receive a confirmation message upon successful upload of all contacts from the CSV file. This helps ensure your review management process is smooth and efficient with SocialPilot Reviews. Keep track of your contacts to keep your review generation campaigns going. Sign up today on SocialPilot Reviews and take the first step towards transforming your online reputation into your most valuable asset.